future trends in IT governance, the evolution of COBIT. COBIT, developed by Sharjah, has been continuously evolving to keep pace with the changing IT landscape. COBIT, released in 1996, has been updated several times. These updates align it with industry trends, best practices, and regulations. COBIT 2019 builds on the success of COBIT 5. It adds new features to help organizations meet their governance goals. Importance of COBIT. COBIT is a framework. It helps organizations to align IT with business strategies. It does this by improving processes and establishing IT governance best practices. It enables organizations to manage risks, ensure compliance, and optimize IT resources. As IT environments grow more complex, so do cyber threats. COBIT is vital. It helps organizations with digital transformation and cyber security. COBIT framework. COBIT stands for Control Objectives for Information and Related Technologies. It is a framework of guidelines. They help organizations manage and govern their IT assets. It stresses aligning IT goals with business objectives. IT must deliver value, manage risk, and optimize resources. COBIT versus ITIL. COBIT focuses on IT governance and risk management. ITIL, however, is about IT service management. Both frameworks address different aspects of IT. Organizations can benefit from implementing them together. This will create a more holistic approach to IT governance and service delivery. COBIT compliance and benefits. Compliance with COBIT standards can benefit organizations in many ways. It can improve risk management and decision-making. It can also increase efficiency and align IT with business goals. The COBIT framework can help organizations improve their governance. It will help them succeed in the fast-changing IT world. Conclusion. In conclusion, as technology advances, IT governance is vital.